Monday 18th of January 2021. I think about 3 years back I installed 3 swales in this acre of land. So there is one swale here, one is behind it where you can see the tree line, and this was the first one on the right on the top, and there you can see a small pond. But I realized further down the road that this patch here, which you can see green, it's way too small to do anything in it, and I was finding it difficult to water it and plant anything here. So I decided to demolish this swale, and that would free up this land where I'm intending to make a few vegetable beds. I'm looking forward to grow some vegetable here. I'm not sure how successful I'm going to be, because this is the first acre of our land, so this is our neighbors. When you're doing permaculture or organic and you are right next to your neighbor, that brings along some difficulties, and my neighbors are not very keen on me planting trees. So, you know, when you're with somebody for a long time, you have to honor these kind of things as well. And, you know, in our religion as well, there are neighbors' rights as well. So at the moment the tractor is doing the job, and then I'm gonna plow it, and that's probably gonna be only once, which is gonna be plowed, and then we're gonna make some beds, and inshallah I hope that then everything gonna stay on the beds. I had quite a few plants here on this swale which we need to dig out. Some got dug out, some got pushed in with the tractor now. So that's about it for the time being. Hopefully I'll make some more videos as I go along now, because I'm planning to spend some more time here. So I hope there's gonna be a series of things, like as I go along I'll document it for myself. If that helps somebody, it helps. If it doesn't, then again it's for my own record. It's been a few days since we leveled that swale, and this is called rotavator, I think, which is breaking the bigger chunks into small pieces of land, which is easier to work with. So it's going to be the last time it's going to be plowed. It has not been plowed for the last 4 years. And looking at the number of birds here picking up insects is very promising to me, which means that there's plenty of insects in the soil, which is always a healthier thing. So from tomorrow or day after we'll start putting beds on it and planting vegetables in them slowly, and this would be the final time it's been plowed. From here onward, this patch, which is probably 1/4 of an acre, is or maybe even less than that, so it's gonna be no dig. And once I'm finished with this part, I'll move further down. This is now the first swale in this acre, and this patch is Napier grass. Then there is the second swale, and once I'm done putting beds in this part, then I'll start making beds under the second swale, and we'll expand our vegetable garden down this way. It's kind of east to west. This side is east, and then down this way is west. So I'll first start with here, put as many beds as I can here, plant them, and then move down that way.